Economics, chapter 28, consumption. When we talk about consumption, we're talking about spending on consumer goods and services. That means you are spending because you have to consume. That is consumption. Whatever you have that to spend, for the fact that you want to consume that product, it is consumption. Do you get what consumption is? Consumption will come as a result of the income you have. Yes or no? Without income, there's no consumption. So consumption has a direct relationship with income. Do you get the point?
Yes.
So look at what I wrote about consumption. I said consumption is the spending on consumer goods and services over a period of time. So when you spend on consumer goods and services, we call it consumption. When you spend on capital goods, that is investment. Do you get the difference here? Spending on consumer goods, spending on consuming, it's consumption. So, how can you spend? You can spend on durable goods or non-durable goods. Why do we call them durable goods? We call them durable goods because you can use they can service you for a longer period of time. Example of a durable good is the car. You bought a car, it's a consumer good because it can serve you for a longer period of time. That is durable, which is a car. For non-durable goods like this marker, you have to consume it and immediately you are consuming it. Like the juice. Whatever you buy that you have to consume immediately, you use it immediately. That is non-durable good. Is it clear? So spending is on durable and non-durable goods. Consumption is on durable goods and non-durable goods. I think that is clear. Wait. We talked about durable goods and non-durable goods already. So the amount of money that you did not spend is what you're saving. Do you get what saving is here? That part of your income that you didn't spend is your saving. Do we understand what to do? So saving is the amount that is not spent of the income. The amount you did not spend from your income. Any question up to now? Then we have the disposable income. Why do we call it disposable income? We call it disposable income because this is the amount of money that is left with us after paying our taxes. After paying the taxes, the amount of money that we could save or spend is disposable income. Do we get disposable income? The amount of money that is left when you have paid your taxes, that you could save it or spend, that is disposable income. Do you understand disposable income? Any question up to now?
No.
Good. Then, consumption and disposable income. What is the relationship between consumption and disposable income? The relationship between consumption and disposable income is what we call consumption function. The relationship, the factors that brings about disposable income and consumption is what we call consumption function. So what is consumption function? I wrote, these are different factors that determine how much a household can spend on consumer goods. Those factors that determine the amount of money you can spend on durable goods or non-durable goods. Those factors that determine the amount of money you can spend on consumption. That is what? Consumption function. Those things that determine what you can spend. Maybe it's your level of income is a factor. The amount of money you can make is a factor that can determine the amount of money you can spend. Yes or no? Great. Then, there is a factor which can decide how much the consumption of the household can rise over time. Your consumption will not be the same. What you consumed last year, the way you consumed last year is not the same way you are consuming this year. You might be consuming more than last year, yes or no? So the factor measurement of how your consumption can rise is what we call marginal propensity to consume, MPC. The measurement of how much your consumption can rise over time is what we call the marginal propensity to consume, MPC. So the formula for MPC is change in consumption over change in income. So this is C, and this is Y. Change in consumption over, this is very obvious. Change in consumption over change in income. That determines our MPC. Any question about this? No. That's the formula. Please put it in your mind. Then, a rise in income will lead to more consumption and some savings too. If your income level rises, it means you can consume more because your purchasing power will rise. And at the same time, you might be able to save too. Do you understand the fact to say? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Then, the measurement of the average amount spent on consumption out of income is average propensity to consume. The measurement of the average amount you could spend from your income, from the money you make, is our APC. APC is average propensity to consume, which is consumption divided by income. MPC is change in consumption over change in income. APC is consumption divided by income. Is it clear to this?
Yes.
Any question for that? No. So this takes us to this activity. So for this activity, it's a case study for consumption and disposable income. 97, 98, 2001 to 2013. So the first question says, using this data, explain the relationship between consumption and disposable income. So here, the relationship between consumption and disposable income for 1997 is that disposable income is more than the consumption. That means the amount of money you have to spend, you are not spending up to, you didn't spend it all. You have no ability to spend, but you didn't spend it all. Do you get the point? You have more here, but you spend less. Do you understand the relationship here?
Yes.
Clear. So that's all about that. Then we go to the, okay, now we say calculate the MPC and APC for 1998, 2002, 2006, 2010,
and 2013.
2013. Thank you. So we check. So we start with 1998. For 1998, to find the APC for 1998, for the average propensity to consume, we said it is what? Consumption divided by income.
Yes.
So for the APC of 1998 will be consumption 734.8 in billion divided by 809.3. So it's 0.91. So the APC for 19 billion, yeah. So APC is 0.91 billion.
This is
in pounds. Is it
US
clear?
dollar.
Is it clear?
They
Then,
said this is US dollar.
okay, yeah. Okay, let's say in dollars, okay. We could use dollar, it doesn't matter. We just need to understand the figure. That is the APC for 1997. Now we need to find the MPC for 1998. The MPC for 1998. MPC is change in consumption over change in income. So what is our change? Our change in consumption will be 703. Consumption of year 2 minus consumption of year 1 divided by consumption of year 1. Do you get the point?
No.
The formula for change in consumption. Change in consumption. I think I can work okay. The change in consumption is the year 1 consumption minus year 1 consumption divided by year 1 consumption. Do you get it?
Yes.
That is the change in consumption. So our year 2 consumption is 734.8 minus 01 703.7
divided by 703.7.
divided by 703.7. So that gives us 733.8. So we have 733.8. That is our change in consumption over change in income. So our change in income will be y2 minus y1 over y1. Do you get it?
Yes.
Y2 minus y1 over y1. So our y2 is 809.3 minus 786.2.
Divided by 786.2.
That gives us 231 divided by 786.2. So we have 0.02 have 0.03. So 0.03, that's 733.8 divided by 0.03. That's 0.00, yeah, 0.03. Is 0.03? Yeah, that's the same as 0.03. So we have 24,460. So the MPC is 24,460. Is it clear?
Yes.
Did you get it out? So that's APC for year 1, APC for 1998, APC for 1998. So go to 2002.
There's only 103.
Okay, so I think you get the point. You get the formula here.
Yes.
Year 2, y2 minus y1 over y1
Yes.
divided by C2 minus C1 over C1.
Yes.
You get it? That is for marginal capacity to consume. MPC, we say MPC is consumption. C2 minus C1 over C1.
APC is easy.
Yeah, divided by y2 minus y1 over y1. Do we get it?
Yes.
The formula for MPC is C2 minus C1 over C1 divided by y2 minus y1 over y1. That is from MPC.
Yes.
For APC, it is year 1 divided by year 2. Income of consumption of year 1 divided by the income of year 1. Consumption of year 2 divided by the income of year 2. Any question about
Yes. No.
it? Sure. You have a question. Is it clear?